In this video, we will look at exporting components to Flotherm pack in Simcenter Flotherm 2020.1. The first step is to create your package in Simcenter Flotherm 2020.1. Once you're ready to export, right-click on the assembly containing the package. If you are exporting an assembly that is an EDA smart part, it is necessary to deselect the lightweight checkbox first and select the subassembly. Select Export Assembly and then Flotherm Pack. Specify the file name and choose the location of where to save the PDML file. For more information, please visit our website.